I'm Lisa, the Ukulele Fool. Kirk is going to be joining us on the play along. I'm going to do a tutorial on Best Day of My Life. What a great ukulele song. It's wonderful for two people, as Kirk and I are going to show you. It is awesome in group jams. You can also do it as one person. I have timestamps down below for each of the sections that I'm teaching, like the chords, how to do the strumming mute that I'm going to talk about. I'm also going to share how to split this up either for two people or in a group. I'll also show you how to do it if it's just, yourself by your lonesome. I have a history nerd section. It's short. And then the play along. So come and join me. Hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that notification bell. Let's dive into some learning. Most of this song is just two chords. I'm sure you're familiar with the C chord. Don't pull your fingers back like this because that would be bad form, but so you can see it. Then there's an F chord. First finger here, reach over here, F. And then there is a D minor that's used just once, so that ring finger tucks in on the F chord on the second fret. I use an island strum on this song. Everybody says it's like the down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I have links both places. If you're unfamiliar with the island strum, you need to get familiar with the island strum. It's so quintessential ukulele. Here's the heart of the ukulele lesson for this song. Your fretboard hand is going to be muting the strings. To mute your strings, you are lightly touching your strings, and then you get no ring on them. And then when you're playing the island strum, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, it sounds like a percussion instrument. So really getting some variety in the sound of your ukulele, and variety is a good thing. Let's just give it a try. Take your ring finger, trust me, there's a method to my madness here. Take your ring finger and lightly touch it across your fretboard. I'm touching it right at the 3rd fret. Again, I've got a method to my madness, but just keeping it light. You want to make sure that when you strum your ukulele, that you're really getting that dead sound. If you're getting any rings or things coming out, that means you're pressing too hard. You're just lightly resting your finger on your strings, just mute them. I have a pattern of 2 island strums. The first down is going to be a regular C, down, and then I'm going to take that finger and just lay it across the fretboard, down, up, down, 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 ring, mute, 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 ring, we also have to do it on an F. F's actually, I think, a little bit easier. You play your F on that first down, down, and then you just, again, lay that ring finger down, up, down, 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 up, down, F, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So if you learn more just by listening, then just listen to the play along. But if you want some explanation on how to break up the singing, that's what this section's all about. In the verses, there's a oh, 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 and then you have somebody else do oh, 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 oh. So that's an easy one. In the chorus, one group, one person goes, never gonna look back. The other person goes, whoa, never gonna give it up. No, please don't wake me now. And 2, 4. I'm hitting my ukulele to do that. You don't have to hit your ukulele, but it's kind of fun. If you're singing this song by yourself, you just go, ooh, 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 this is gonna be the best day of my life. My life. sing a harmony part, you need people that can lock in and sing the same melody over and over again. The melody goes like this. Ooh, 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 ooh. 4 times. The bugaboo is that you're going to change chords on for the 3rd and 4th time. So let's just practice without doing any strumming, and it's just other than a down strum, no strumming pattern. You can go ooh, 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 change to F, ooh, 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 ooh. Now we put this with the island strum, and you get 4 island strums on C and 4 island strums on F. Each ooh, ooh pattern takes up 2 island strums. I'll do it nice and slowly for you to either listen or join with me. 1, 2, here we go. Ooh, 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 that a try. I hope that this adds a dimension of singing to your group that you really love, and this is such an infectious and good song to sing for the ukulele. This is really the only big hit that American authors had. They were working on this song in 2012, and it was released in 2013, but I think they recorded it in 2012. They wanted a very happy, upbeat song in the aftermath of the Sandy Hook Elementary shooting that took place. And so, you know, happy is what a ukulele is about, but they take some interesting genres and kind of mash them up. You think the opening has a banjo, and I'll bet you it's a banjo-lele, has a little opening riff, you know, and let me know if you want me to teach that opening riff, particularly if you're one of my patrons, because we could add that for one of our group lessons. So there's a little banjo riff that is in the introduction, and then they do a popular rock and roll lyric idiom, which is stutter. Yeah, like live, my live. You know, you think of like Benny and the Jets, Elton John, or changes, David Bowie, right? You know, what other songs can you think of that has that stutter in it? So that's, yeah, take a little bluegrass, mash it up with a stutter, and you've got a hit. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I hope that this tutorial and play along has brought you joy and confidence in your ukulele journey. I would like to thank all my patrons for their great feedback, song suggestions, community building, and your very important financial support for my teaching efforts. If you appreciate what I do and have a few dollars a month to spare, I encourage you to join our growing Patreon community. Don't forget to hit that like button before you go and keep spreading the ukulele love.